What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. For those of you that watch the channel frequently, you know I've been missing for a little while and there's a good reason for that. More to come on that soon. I'm not going to put it in this video, be more to come soon. But we do have a new case to show you for S24 Ultra. So this is my titanium grey S24 Ultra. Really been enjoying it, like really been enjoying it, and I'm looking forward to bringing you more cases. We have got a top 10 case for my top 10 cases coming soon, but this one is a new one from Benks. Looks like they may have updated it. Let's hope they've updated the MagSafe, but we will check that out. Thin and light, enhanced impact resistance, built with Kevlar as per normal. S24 Ultra. I believe this is the MagAir Pro version. Flip it over. Built with DuPont Kevlar, the Benks seal of approval, and not much else on there. You can peel from the bottom, like so. So let's just go ahead and do that. Now, it comes on the usual like foam insert with the S24 Ultra. So nice packaging from Benks as always. And there is the new style case. So nice rubbery buttons, designed by Benks in sort of gold at the bottom right there. Almost like a Porsche design case, like we've seen in the past. Nice different weaves of aramid fibre of the DuPont Kevlar version. Yeah, it is the Pro because it's all covered. So it's all covered all the way around. There's the MagSafe logo. Snap on for effortless magnetic power. But obviously we will test that out in this video. Benks, built with DuPont Kevlar in the middle too. The camera cut out. So let's just go ahead and slap in the S24 Ultra. So let's just go ahead and do it. Fits quite nice. So there we go. That's what it's going to look like when it's inside the Benks case. So let me know what you think with that. That's the titanium version inside the Pro case. So if you flip it around, those cameras are nice and recessed in there, so you can place it down like so and not have to worry. But also I've got a privacy screen protector. If you haven't seen that video, that's up here. Still got a lip runs all the way around and it doesn't come anywhere near really the screen protector, so you can go ahead and place it face down and not have to worry. Nothing on this side right here. Cut out for your S Pen. You will need a bit of a fingernail to get in there because it is quite deep and not recessed on the edge like we've seen some recently where it sort of dips down so you can get your finger in. Cut out for your speaker, your mic, and of course your charge port. Cut out on the top for your two mics. Nice clicky tactile buttons, what we like to see, but of course they are rubber. And it does feel nice, but the design by Benks on the bottom right there looks fantastic. But of course, let's go ahead and test out that MagSafe. So we've got the Apple MagSafe battery pack right here. It slaps on. This is already it's showing fully charged right here on the bottom. So this phone is already fully charged, but that's where it's going to sit in relation to this. Now, I still don't know whether this is in the right place or not. So what I'm going to have to do today is I'm going to have to run the battery down, stick it on charge overnight. If it doesn't charge, no big deal. I'll charge it in work tomorrow. It sits just underneath that camera housing, which again is good for the magnets because it won't bring off the MagSafe battery pack. Is it good for charging? That's the big question. I mean, we're going to need to answer on that. So let's bring in the Nomad base stand. As you know, the Nomad base stand is really heavy. Slap the S24 Ultra onto the stand and see just how good it is. So let's see. See, it slaps in, showing fully charged, and I mean, yeah, it can pick it up without any issues. Let's see if it puts, yeah, no issues there whatsoever for this case. Picks it up, no issue. It's showing fully charged. Will it stay charged overnight if it's in the wrong position? That's what we're going to have to find out. So let's switch to tomorrow morning to find out whether this works or not. So I had to take it off charge this morning. I haven't used it up to now, and we are on 100%, which means yes, it does actually MagSafe wirelessly charge, which is perfect. Exactly what we wanted. So perfect case right now. So Benks have done an amazing job in getting us now a case that now does MagSafe charging. There we go. There is the new Benks ArmorPro Case with the new design. Be sure to let me know what you think of that in the comment section down below. Is this something you would consider going for? I'm going to leave links in the description down below to where you can pick yours up for yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. As always, like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn those notifications on. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys.